All right, I got it back in the car. See, right there. I'm gonna get a little zip tie to secure this little cable right here. This is the cable that comes out of it. The cable comes out of the starter and it comes around the back here and it connects to this little clip here, which will. So once I got it connected, I usually bring it up and I find a little good spot to zip tie it away from everything and out the way. But what I'm gonna do now is, you can see, I'm going to need to get up in there. I'm going to connect the power cable to this terminal right here. All right, and this is the main battery cable that comes out. It's got this little rubber cover on it. See that? All right, that's gonna go right over that little bolt. Right over that little bolt, and all right, and then I got a little nut that screws into place and holds it.
They dig in the dirt. They go into the dirt. Have you heard of that?